sa lahat po ng manlalaro, pakilala ang Tawas po. Wala pong puputok ngayon. Nice place po. Nice one, sense bomb, Sandy. Service by Sergio.
Service by Sir Markwell. Pumasok. Pero si Sir Jericho, sila ni Dax.
Pinalo ni Bella, hindi pa po!
Service ulit from Sir Markwell. Pumasok. Pero si ulit ni Sir Jericho, maulit ba yung kanina?
Hindi!
Receive. Sinet. Okay, binalik.
Papaluin! Hindi pa rin pumasok!
Okay, pangatlong service pa ni Sir Margaret. Pasok ang kuba ulit. Hindi na. Service by Dax. Exclamation point. Outside! Sino kaya ang target niya doon? At ano ang thought process niya? Ba't din niya pinapunta ang bola? Service by Banjeo! At ang masasabi lang po ni Banjeo dahil di pumasok ang service, eat well, Nigel.
Hindi lang pang pamilya, pang sports pa! Service.
Okay, narisip ni Banjeo. Senior.
Hindi napigil ni Bella Belen.
Service. Service by Rod. Service again by Rod. Receive. Papalo. Bella. Na-receive ni Banjeo. Sinat ni Julia.
Papalo si Charmaine. Kasama ang...
Set by Sir Alvin.
Elevation. Next receive by Sir Jericho.
The score is 7 serving 4. Okay, pangatlong serving na.
Good serve. Over receive. Sinet. Oh. Nice receive by Jenny Ann.
My net. Sino net? Net by Bella Belench. Sumabit ang kanyang heroine. Sumabit ang hair extension ni Bella. Receive. Receive by Rod. Nakangat pa ni Banjeo. Pinalik ni Kuya Sherwin. Receive ulit by Sir Jericho. Bella Belen with a stare down. Maasim siya today. Service by Bella Belen. Jumper pa to. Good receive. Good set by Julia. Drop ball by Hailey Beaverch. Pasabot kami si Kate Santiago dito. Welcome to Olympics Bubble Club, okay?
Tipachok ng Thailand. Kung tumalon yung sa islim, pasok yun. Service by Hailey. Good receive. Buka. Up, outside. Okay, mabigat ang service ni Hailey. Nahihirapan rin si bang kabilang team. Service by Jen Ann Kanya. Service goes to Dax. Hindi na nasigit. Service by Sir Alvin. Sinong target niya sa kabila? Naka-ready na ang postura. Next receive by Sir Jericho. 13 serving 6. Mukhang magkakabanas na po ang lahat ng team. Service by Sir Alvin. Outside. Service by Amiel. Oh, shit! Ano nagsabi ko ba? Service by Amiel. Set by Hailey. Set by Julia. Pinala ni Kuya Shirley. Hindi na ni Suki Bella. Do not say Bella today. Service by Felix Shirley. Good receive by Amiel. Slow move by Dax. Masyadong malipis si Michael. Service by Kuya Shen. Tumingan mo na siya ng malalim. At outside. Okay po, pag nabutas po ang bola natin, kung sino po ang top team, siya po ang bibili. Let's get po ang OTL to next week, part 2. Service by Sir Jericho. Target Rod. Hindi siya laban ni Berteo. 10, serving 15. Okay, humahabol ang Alba Josai. Service by Sir Jericho. Kami ba? Nice receive by Coach Sherwin. Papalo! Na-block ni Bella. Na-receive ni Michael. Isiset ni Sir Jericho. Papalo si Michael. Pagtubot na kay Michelle. Sinat ni Julia. Binalik. Nice one. Nice si Maynel. Back. Let's go. Palo! Hindi pumasok. We would like to thank our sponsors, Ilaw, Punasan Kawan Kuya D. Salamat po. Good service. Set by Dax. Bella Belen with exclamation point. Thank you po sa sponsor, Pam Shi and Sir Roman. Sana doon patuloy kayo magmahal. Service by Dax. That receive is brought to you by Bob Underground. Okay, 17 serving 12, nababangasa ng Alba Josai.
Service by... Thank you so much, BPI and Sir Kurt Del Rosario Pamintuan.
Bella! With the top! With the Kaya pa! Nice one, Bella!
Sinati Julia,
Papalo! Wow, good exclamation point!